Welcome to this technical guide on the PS5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your PS5 is on but your telly shows nothing, you're likely facing an HDMI connector issue. This can happen due to wear and tear over time or accidental damage. If left unfixed, it can lead to further complications, possibly affecting other components. To carry out this repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, some tweezers, and a replacement HDMI connector. First, ensure your PS5 is turned off and unplugged. Carefully place it on a flat, static-free surface. Start by removing the base of your PS5. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it off, taking care not to damage the casing. Next, locate the screws securing the cover to the console. There are several Phillips screws that need to be removed. Remember to keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently slide the cover off to expose the internal components. Now, you'll want to find the HDMI connector, which is located near the back of the console. It's a small, rectangular component. If you're unsure, consult a diagram or guide for reference. To remove the faulty connector, carefully disconnect the cables attached to it. Use your tweezers for precision. Once the cables are free, unscrew the connector from its mount. Be cautious here, as applying too much force can damage nearby components. After removing the old connector, take your new HDMI connector and align it in place. Secure it using the screws you set aside earlier. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly in place but not pulled too tight. Once everything is reassembled, it's time to replace the cover. Slide it back into position, making sure it fits snugly. Reinsert the screws to secure the cover back in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Lastly, plug your PS5 back in and turn it on. Check your telly to see if the issue is resolved. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure you handle your console with care and avoid any unnecessary stress on the HDMI port. Regularly inspect the connector for any signs of wear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.